look me koro and they hear me whine. Now you say you turn that gidigba on top of the Chairman television station, Wazobia TV, on top Star Times channel 195. And this now the program by the people, of the people, and for the people. As it is hot, we dey carry all the topic where they come out smoke inside Nigerian political arrangement, drop and down, and as the thing dey hot, we tell make you carry your long spoon, chook inside, and follow put mouth for inside this matter. Talk am so that those where the matter concern go take the necessary action to move our country forward. My name na Ezugo Chokwote, and as usual, I no dey alone inside studio. I dey with my brother wey sabi well as they concern politics matter. As it is hot.
Good morning, our viewers. Yes, As the Hot Dog come again, and that regular political program with the information now with different political activities. On today's matter, we go do it. We go give now a small twist. We go come up from the regular political issues. We will come give now under disturbing issue. We say every Nigerian also need to do it. Every Nigerian need to chook mouth into this matter because it concern at some point it will concern us. It concerns some people, but as if we say at some point it will also concern some people because of say at least we will want make at least we dey get better record for Bodo Nigeria. And if no also address this matter, and if no also talk to our government about this matter, then it could just be the same way it be. And what will be the matter? Shop me and not just talk. And the program as the we also open our phone line for now to chook mouth when that time reach. For now to also at least contribute in our own effort, what I feel about the issue when that time reach. My name now Nkubi and this now As It Is Hot.
Before we talk about the topic where we carry come today, it's important that we will give updates as it concern the action film when they happen for the House of Senate. Everybody for Nigeria here they stand and our idea on top of the Senate sake of the ministerial screening. When we say they sit down chim, they screen all the people when go work with Oga Presido. After Oga Presido submits the first batch of ministerial nominees, 21 names, on the 30th of September to beat his own deadline. Our Senate them fixed 13th and 14th of October as the day of screening. People come sit down, tie their wrapper, fold their legs, say yes, on this day we go see plenty action. Because you get some people when we say them, they their list and they won't see how they go take ask them question or whether they go even follow inside the people when go become ministers this time of Nigeria. I go call their name. But today, Raji Fashola, former governor of Lagos State, and Rotimi Chibuike Amechi, former governor of Rivers State. As we can see 13th, can see 14th. It can't be like say the name of Oga Rotimi Amechi, they cause sleepless nights for the House of Senate. Because some people talk say, they're not agree, making the there. Other people they talk say, making just go, making go do am. Senate then come adjourn again, say, based on say Oga Presido don't carry new names, come. 16 people, even though in come out one person name, Oga Ibeto. They come talk say Oga Rotimi Amechi go follow the first 9 people we go do. We can't wait until yesterday. They can't give us information. Say based on say Nigerians they talk say they need to ask the questions where say that only 3 people now they go screen and Rotimi Amechi no go there inside. Say now today he go do his own. But the information we can't break again yesterday according to the people when they talk for Senate. They talk say Senate them based on one thing, 2 things. Say today when everybody expects okay, Oga Rotimi Amechi go get in day to answer question. Say they don't lock shop somehow because some kind of things they happen. Some people don't come and come and say, this is political jiggery-pokery. This is political kalo. Sake of say, maybe like say our Senate president, he just they wait. They see the hand where they won't carry come because of in case when they Code of Conduct Tribunal or they just they waste time to discuss this matter. They go. Now the case of confusion when Nigerians they so be that.
Chukudi, on this matter, me I go talk my mind though, because it just be like say our Senate then they take us play ball. Which one be say Oga Amechi suppose don't appear right from the first time where the list even come out because the same top people way at least way here and there be rain at least all of them don't do it and don't come and he named them among the first list which I can't be all this Maradona kind of approach, Messi kind of approach, Ronaldo kind of approach what they bring for us. Make we put the ball down, make we face them together, play them together, make we know what we go do. Not be to come they find one excuse today, find another excuse tomorrow, find another excuse. Maybe I don't know whether the next time will go come, whether and that excuse now will find for us. I mean, to also give us say this is why you are not thinking of bringing him. Say now go. As a matter of fact, now I won't bring him in as last. No be like this. No be like this. Now tell us. Make now bring him. Make it do what you go to. Make them screen him. If there are things where they will question him about, make them question him. Make we move forward. Make I'm going to call they take all the playbook today now. Now so now no go hold the session. Now no go do it. Now no go screen. On what ground now? Of course, on what ground? I mean, let us move on with this matter. Make we know. I know Nigeria they clamor for say yes. We want sincere screening. We want success screening. But then make we see success screening. Make we also see the people we they anticipate. Make we see at least. Make they also screen them. Make we move on. I know say go dey happy. Let's move on to that.
Wetin be happy? Wetin you talk when people never talk before? Wetin be the new thing when you talk? No. Because before you start, you talk say you go talk your mind. You go talk. It take you up to 1 year for you to ever talk your mind on top of this program.
So
I congratulate you on that.
Don't congratulate me.
Even the talk where you talk your mind, you never even talk and finish because I see the look where the talk they come from. But based on say you don't talk this one.
You don't even appreciate the little one I drop. As based on say me and you are Nigerians and Nigerians should also Nigerians' interest will also try fight.
You know, say when person don't they used to too much lies. When truth come, he go still because I need to still check the thing where you talk to know whether it come from the bottom of your heart or you just dey talk am to win the heart of Nigerians.
I tell you before, say when it comes to lie issue, you are the headquarter, you are the secretariat, you are the ambassador, you are the president of liarship. So I tell you. So not just bring that lie matter through to me because now you get that. If I did lie today, that is if I parameter say I even lie on this program, now your hand are let down. Because everything about you, from your toes to the only single hair way to the tiniest hair way there, now life full on. So no can they give me that one.
You know what you see.
Let us move on, Joe. Let us move on.
When they show crime fighters, all the people in the cash, who then they blame saying I push the devil. I don't. You see, it's clear. Everybody for Nigeria know say. If we talk about people where they speak truth, they know who they talk to. So when we just you don't talk one today, you don't talk true for the first time in over 200 episodes of As It Hot. And I'm proud of you.
Let me clear your mind. I think we get a lot of followership, a lot of viewers say we don't watch this program right from the onset, right from when we don't start. And Chukwu don't come on this program, talk on a couple of times. I talk through. How come today be the only day where I don't talk through for my life? You see, say when it comes to headquarters of liarship, it's good at it.
There's a difference between true and truth.
You see, huh?
There's a difference between
you're
true
trying to be
and
diplomatic about this thing, and I thought you say yes, you are good at lying. Let us move on to the next issue we want to talk about today, Joe.
We dey beg our Senate them say make them do wetin they supposed to make Nigerians mind stop to the day up.
Abi.
Even though they promise us say they go give us change. And wetin we dey see just be like the usual business,
yes.
Regular business when they happen. E come mean say Nigerians don begin the question say all these people wey promise us all these things, all these promise wey they promise, make it no be say na just the more you look, the less you see arrangement.
I know one funny thing about this whole thing. May I even cheap? You know, say every day we pass, they count. And how many days na get? If we multiply 365 days times 4, you go know the number of days where you go give una. Every day we pass, they count. And una fit take one single day or one even single hour, put up something where we say we go change the life of Nigerians. Not be to call they take us play ball saying I go the shift. Okay, today when I know we go screen now, what I will take today do? I know say there are other issues when I go address, but at least let us address this issue. Make sure say we meet up with that time and money. Now they talk am. We say they follow now they talk am. Time and money. So make we know what we go do about them. Let's move on.
Thank God say you self don't realize. Say
no,
like say
I don't always realize. Don't tell me say I just realize.
But you don't realize. Don't use your mouth talk.
No.
Say you be like say make Nigerians no come begin.
You don't do. Let's move on to the next story.
Yes, this one we want to talk about today. Now something where we say, it go bring shame to the mind of plenty people. Because every papa and mama they pray say make their pikin carry first. But the kind first when they want make their pikin carry now first when we say people go tell you say
not be first from bottom.
No be first from bottom. And the way when the situation on there now, it be like say Nigeria don't carry last.
No first from
first.
No first from
last
bottom.
From first. Make we talk so that the thing go enter well. Last from first. You get one respected, we go put on respected travel websites when they call sleeping in airports. This sleeping in airports they carry out their survey every year. And the one when they carry out this 2015 based on certain parameters like services and facilities when they available for the area, cleanliness, customer service, comfort, and overall airport experience. These 5, now they use judge. They come out, talk say, you get one airport when they inside Nigeria, Port Harcourt International Airport. Say out of all the whole airports
for the whole world,
when they this world, Now that Port Harcourt International Airport,
Now it carry first from bottom.
Now it be the worst airport when they inside the whole world. Worst airport when they inside the whole world. So as Nigeria dey like this now, Nigeria name now, they trend for everywhere. If you Google worst airport in the whole world, Nigeria will come out. Port Harcourt International Airport. Many Nigerians come dey talk say, wait how this our airport go be the worst airport when we say at some point e never too tey we carry plenty money.
Under the last administration, under the leadership of one minister of what they call you know, the minister where armor cars issue and all that. We know the amount of money where they say they want to take at least do it in, they want to renovate airports and basically international airports. Under that era, go move on.
Who they talk about the woman? Who they talk say they carry money do airport? Which what
talk now? I mention person.
Not ever they cut.
I mention person name.
Okay, now what do you want, Abi?
I don't mention person name now.
Nigerians they complain say, it never too tey. When we say we carry money, say all our airports them, we won't make them fine. We won't put facilities. We won't upgrade the airport. So we won't upgrade them to international standard, so that all the people where they fly in from different parts of this world, if they reach our airport, they go cut cap, give us. Plenty people don't talk, say airport now like the gateway to the country. The way where you take see airports. Now so you go take see the way when the country dey. If airport can't be nyama when we say you know standard, then we say the country somehow the thing go dey upside down.
Now so people go dey see am anyway. The people when they fly in.
People like us when they travel well, you know if we suppose they contribute for this. You not supposed to contribute for this discussion.
Chukudi has come again. They travel well.
When you don't travel too much inside bus.
The only place don't travel na Nsukka where you come from.
Which Nsukka?
If you don't go Nsukka, you go Ibadan. Or make you go Abeokuta here. I'll be Kota. How many times you don't even go Abuja?
Nsukka, Ibadan, Abeokuta, Abuja.
You travel and see.
At least that one show say I don't go for different states inside Nigeria.
You never even smell. You never smell. Talk of even say one even. Let's move on. Don't tell me don't carry all this travel team. Go on to give us your report.
If you look my shoulder, look your shoulder, you go see who don't sit down for airport, who don't sit down inside aeroplane seat. See the way my shoulder take day. You go not sit down. But see the way when you don't sit down. You don't sit down for bus travel as far as Cameroon. And you come the people when they go airport they talk.
At least if I sit down for bus travel reach Cameroon, at least I still try to travel come out from Nigeria.
Cameroon.
But you
3 days.
Even if that
3 days to go Cameroon.
No.
You come here.
Forget that thing.
Sleeping in airport don't come and talk. Say our airport, Port Harcourt International Airport, say na im be the worst airport for the whole world. Make we come analyze this issue. If we get Ministry of Aviation, when we say their own business, now to look into anything we get to do with aviation, our airport, the planes, national carrier, and the rest of them. And we they carry last for this kind of survey. They carry first for bad things as it take concern airport. Considering the fact that not too long ago, we vote money, and for like 16 years now, you never get any time we don't get Ministry of Aviation.
Yes.
And we still they find ourselves for this kind of condition
at least we don't see a couple of times they don't channel money into this aviation. I mean, they want to say that then they collect allowance, then they collect budget. At least it is a ministry, and then as long as it is a ministry, they allocate a particular fund for now. And what do they take that fund do? I mean, check out Port Harcourt Airport. This say Port Harcourt Airport. I try go there. And I go see, oh my God. I saw the footages, I saw pictures. I was like, at some point, is this supposed to be Nigeria? They're supposed to declare this kind of airport, international airports. I can't believe, people go, they come down from airports, from their plane. They pass through Canopy.
Canopy when we say now they use the serve. Now waiting people they sit down if they want serve jollof rice. Now we they put for our own airport for how many years? And after we don't vote plenty money,
they will come they give us some kind of story.
And some people will go ministerial screening. They'll come they say bow down and go.
And some people go say even with their ministry of aviation with their handle, we know what they take and do. Armored car issues. If they know armored car, they will shall find one thing. And they say the channel money give these people make their work. We be there here say they work, but will they see the result now? Chukudi. And that typical example, forget no carry and go Enugu where you come from. Enugu is your state, Chukudi. I see your airport. I was like, is this
which one you see my airport? I mean get the airport.
No, it is still your airport because they're from that state.
You come and say I mean get the airport.
For people an international airport, I can't believe say people they swim to enter plane. Flooded. make rain, make mistake, fall for Enugu International Airport. Everywhere go flood. You go just swim now, swim.
They don't repair them now.
Repair wetin Chukudi?
Now that one, an old picture you see.
Old picture wetin?
They don't repair them now.
They swim, they enter plane. If they come down, if they are light, if they swim, come out again. Chukudi, what did they repair?
That thing now before the team, before they come put you, they don't shock the team now.
No,
they don't shock them now.
You don't lie.
You don't
lie. They don't shock.
Una get airport, you don't even talk.
Oh my God.
Which over the airport? Over the airport when we say before plane land, they go first pursue bed, come on for runway. You come there, they talk. Say
you don't go there to know whether they pursue bed.
And they travel where now. Everybody know that one now.
But you go say Mr. Travel now flood. Now swim, I enter plane. When I even land, come back. Now swim, come out.
Who could be chop this iron now? Say you go Enugu airport.
I go Enugu airport.
You no touch your mouth.
What thing? You see Nigerians? Mama thought something say make this. What thing going on do? Hey. I don't talk. See.
Who could be say you enter plane go Enugu airport?
Imo State. I've been left Imo Abuja airport and then let's say Lagos State. So if you don't reach there, take this thing, touch your mouth. Say you don't enter plane from there. Chop
people when they see.
Nah, chop your own. You chop your own.
When you chop, when we first waiting be the issue. The 10 worst airports for the whole world. 10 worst airports for the whole world. Make we start from number 10. Number 10 are the Bougainville International Airport, when they for Paris inside France. Number 9 na Benazir Bhutto International Airport, Islamabad for Pakistan. Number 8 na Tan Son Nhat International Airport, Ho Chi Minh City for Vietnam. Number 7 na Hamid Karzai International Airport, Kabul for Afghanistan. Number 6 na Toussaint-Louverture International Airport, Port-au-Prince for Haiti. Number 5 na Simon Bolivar International Airport, Caracas for Venezuela. Number 4 na Tashkent International Airport inside Uzbekistan. Number 3 na Tibuvan International Airport for Kathmandu for Nepal. Number 2 na King Abdulaziz International Airport for Jeddah, Saudi Arabia.
Give me the honor to do the number 1. And number 1 na Port Harcourt International Airport, where they for Nigeria.
Why your body dey sweet for bad things? Why you
just
dey hammer?
No.
Why you just dey hammer say
if you no talk about leaders no go hear. Make we dey talk am, make they take their own ear dey hear am. Na say na channel money. Make we see we no see the result of the money wey na channel for this ministry o. I can't believe an airport, make person they pass through canopy. Rain go they beat they pass through canopy, they enter plane. I can't believe say person go they swim, they enter plane for Enugu State.
I can't believe say they go they pursue bed, come up for runway before aeroplane land for inside Owerri. Now only bad things you they talk. Me we talk una own too.
We get caller. Good morning.
Oga Philip, they call us from Ajegule.
Philip, good morning. Oga Philip, talk to us. We they hear you. Philip.
Oga Philip, you did there. It be like say Oga Philip, the connection no gree enter. I beg if you want call us, reduce the volume of your television, make we hear you. Where?
We get Ogo Biora all the way from Yola. Good morning, Ogo Biora.
Good morning, Ubi. How are you?
We dey fine.
Good morning. How are you?
Oga Biora, we dey greet you.
I beg this airport issue that I saw. The team made it too worry also. Is there one problem when Nigeria get now? I was thinking that people go talk and no talk. These NEPA people wanting us for this Nigeria. You know, the other time I tell you that my bill from 2,000 naira, when it was 12,000, I complained to you people here. As of today, my NEPA bill is 18,000 naira. Only one shop, one AC, one fridge, one television. Again, I want to purchase a prepaid meter. They told me that I will pay 24,800 naira, and it must be after 6 months. And if I do not receive the meter, that means my money is lost, and I will not ask anybody for the money. Now, so good, I want you to ask people, why shouldn't these people provide that meter so that if you have their money, you go and buy the meter and they will solve it for you? Is it not the corruption we are facing? So it's the most problem that everybody is facing now. Come to our issue of today. You know, Ameti problem. Everybody knows that this problem is a problem that even APC know that they have problem, but it's a compensation something. So assuming that Ameti is not one of the key people that provide presidential campaign, they will remove the name and put other people. But they cannot. Even when you read some papers on social media, you will see some threads there. So whether good or bad, Ameti must be screamed and they must work as minister. But what we are saying is that APC should remove change. They will just tell us that it's business as usual so that we believe them. Thank you very much.
Thank you
very much for the important contribution when you don't carry join us for inside this matter. The NEPA own na something wey we say we go discuss. We don already talk and say we go carry experts make come sit down for here to answer all the questions. We go from Yola to Amsterdam and collect this call from Oga Bobby. Oga Bobby, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Bobby.
Today's topic, I kind of incite me, kind of ginger my body. The reason why I say so is we look like what I tried to say yesterday. During when Amaechi Day as a governor of Port Harcourt, when he say good luck, they block all your way. Nobody they believe him. He say the airport. Now, federal government something to do.
Yes.
The money to do the airport, and then they agree they give me, and they not bring back on me to do the airport. Now, they say the airport may be the worst airport in the world. I don't understand, and I say, Amaechi, I don't want to be Amaechi for too. Now, Amaechi, they responsible for the airport.
No.
So, to tell you, the propaganda whether they put for Amaechi head is too much. There are some certain things where we say, state supposed to do and federal government supposed to do. So you totally say good luck. And even good luck, even use your mouth to talk when he was campaigning, when he go Port Harcourt, when he say actually Amaechi is right. I didn't do anything for you people, but if you people vote me this time, I will do something for you people. Then I want to good luck use your mouth to talk. Look at the airport now. People look at the Murtala Mohammed Airport. All the money where they spend are now rubbish, now renovation, that you're paying time. Break some contact more for somewhere, put another one. If you land, the moment you come out from plane, then you go know say the Nigeria airport is not an airport. As you do waka, you go first feel the heat first from the entrance. Then the roof there, they not do one. The thing they open, so the heat from the sun will all hit you, as if now big stone you. So those are the problem when we say the Nigeria, we need to invest into infrastructure because our infrastructure system, our old ancient system we use. We need to invest more. That's what I want to contribute to this.
Oga Bobby, thank you very much for that your important contribution. You don't talk we need to invest more, and investment no be just say we dey paint airport or to do some kind of things, because if you check the parameters when they here, you get to do more than just say person throw money inside the airport. We go this break, come back. When we come back, we'll continue our discussion as it take concern say Port Harcourt international airport when they inside Obodo Nigeria now the worst for the whole world this 2015. When they come back, no go anywhere, and I still ask it dey hot.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. No darling.